Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and a workout must have for me is a great pair of gloves.
I think workout gloves can be so great, whether you're just doing floor moves and need a little extra support for your hands and wrists, or if you are doing strength training or weightlifting, they are so helpful. These are by Sunnex. I have them here in the super cute pink color. Check out how cushiony these are. I love them. They're easy to put on with that little Velcro strap that goes by the wrist, which I wear a fitness tracker and I appreciate that there is room for that. They're fingerless, so super easy for me to move and groove in, but we've got that padding right where we need it, especially for strength training, for weightlifting. It gives me the mobility in my hands, but then that extra cushioning where I need it. It's also breathable on the top, which is great because I sweat a lot, but you can see when I'm using something like a kettlebell, it's got the perfect grip and it's got these little tabs for an easy takeoff, which I really appreciate. So I use these whenever I work out. If I'm using barbell, if I'm using kettlebells, it gives me a fantastic grip. If I'm doing pull-ups, whatever is going on, I am able to work out, I'm able to move, I'm able to keep my hands protected and have a good grip on the equipment that I'm using. And they're super, super comfortable.
If you're looking for something to support you through your workouts, I recommend checking these out, but that's just my point of view.